So, hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is 7 days, 7 oracle messages for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 11 till the 17th of May. 11 till 20, yes, 2026. These are general readings. Please take them as general readings only. Take the messages as the guidance for yourself. Don't take them too personally. And even if it is resonating 100%, it doesn't mean it's your personal reading, honey. Cool. So for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. The overall energy for Libra people for this week. Let's see what we have. The overall energy for Libra people for this week. We have the King of Michael. Wisdom and objectivity are important now. Stay in your integrity. A situation that calls for honest and open communication. So you guys you guys have to use your wisdom and objectivity on in this particular week. A situation that calls for honest and open communication. Something might be not going well because of lack of communication or miscommunication. Try to handle the communication issues this week only. Okay, this is going to be one of those weeks which can help you to sort out the communication issues with anyone. Especially the important ones. For 11th, we have the Ace of Gabriel. A gift of passion, opportunity, and inspiration, the chance to do something amazing, a sense of wonder. You guys are going to feel very passionate on this day. You guys are going to get some kind of opportunity or inspiration to start or restart something. The chance to decide, the chance to do something amazing. You guys are going to get some kind of chance to do something really amazing that you might be postponing from quite a long time now, and the time has come for you guys to start or restart this chapter again. A sense of wonder. You guys are going to be feeling like very like childlike innocence, childlike energy is going to be there. A sense of wonder. 12th of May, we have the leap of faith. Believe in yourself. Listen to your heart. Do what gives you joy. You guys have to believe in yourself before you are going to believe in anything else or anyone else. Listen to your heart and soul when it is the matter of your heart and soul. Do what gives you joy and happiness. Okay, don't listen to other people. Don't live your life according to others. If something is giving you happiness and joy without harming anybody, without hurting anybody, like hurting in the sense if somebody is getting hurt by your happiness, then it's a different thing. But stay in your lane. Do what gives you joy. 13th, we have the Chariot. Determination and self-control is important on this day for you guys in order to keep moving forward. Career advancement is also possible on this day. Acknowledgement of success by others. People are going to notice your hard work. People are going to notice your consistency and your efforts that you're going to put in your career. So keep going. You are going to be awarded or rewarded for your hard work very, very soon. 11, 12, 13. 14th, we have solutions, success that comes from objective compromise. There is some kind of middle ground that you guys have to find in order to get that kind of success that you're looking forward to have in your life. Self control and patience is very, very important for you guys in order to achieve something really, really meaningful and good. Forgiving and healing energies are also available on this day if you guys are ready to forgive and heal yourself and uh, go to the next chapter of your healing process, healing journey. 15th, we have the Justice. Fight for justice and equality. Fight for what you think is right for you. Fight for what is exactly right, not what you think, what is exactly right. And if you have done nothing wrong, you don't have to be afraid of anything or anyone. Fight for justice and equality. Rulings made in your favor. Again, if you have done nothing wrong, the universe is going to reward you with good energies, with the justice. Don't give up. Don't give up the pursuit of justice and balance in your life. Stand up for yourself and take the high road here, Libra, because no one is going to do that for you. You have to stand up for yourself. You have to take a chance for yourself. If you're not going to believe in yourself and your own energies, nobody else is going to do that for you, Libra. Keep that in mind. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16th of May, we have the Four of Raphael. Seek out other possibilities. You might be stuck on one particular possibility or one particular thing. Seek out, keep your mind and your energies open and flexible to the idea of seeking out other possibilities too. Look for the magic in life. Look for beautiful, magical, positive energies in your life. Be aware of your own emotions. If you are going to be overly emotional, then also it's a problem. If you are going to be overly practical, then also it's a problem. So be aware of your own emotions and don't make any kind of life changing decisions or choices when you are in overly emotional or overly practical kind of state of mind. Okay, honey? 17th, we have the High Priestess, powerful psychic insights. You guys are going to get some kind of powerful psychic insights regarding your spiritual growth, especially if you guys are working on your spiritual growth deliberately. You guys will be able to get some kind of powerful psychic insights, reflection, and meditation that provides valuable information. If you are going to sit with yourself and reflect on your life, you will be able to get a lot of valuable information regarding future direction of your life. Be at peace with whatever you have right now, and you will be able to attract more and more by being at peace, by being in the attitude of gratitude, and keep on raising your vibrations, keep on doing the good things, the meditation and the reflection portion, and you will be able to achieve much more than you have right now. But attitude of gratitude and being at peace with yourself is the key to getting what you desire for and hope for. Let's see the final message for you guys for this week, Libra. Four of Ariel. When you give, you also receive. When you give something to somebody with an open heart, you also receive with an open heart and open energy. Being resistant to change. Don't be so resistant to change, Libra, because change is the only constant. Don't be like a Taurus person. Now, every Taurus is not like they resist changes. It just came out of my mouth, nothing like that. But I have seen fixed signs, very stubborn when it comes to changes, right? Felt it also. I myself is a Taurus, so I do that. So I don't know about others. So being resistant to change is not going to help you in any kind of growth and expansion. So change is the only constant that you have to accept. Extremes in how you save or spend money. Either you're spending too much or you're becoming miserable. So you guys have to find a middle ground where you are saving also, you are spending also, and there is a balance between these two extremes. It can be about actually anything in your life, but for the time being, look out for your money things. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.